Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone speaker crackling noise on iPhone. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, I have some simple solutions to fix this issue. So guys, the first solution is iPhone case should not cover the speaker grills. So guys, if you have cases covering your speaker grills, so remove your cover. So guys, the next solution is always use a high bitrate audio to listen. So guys, the next solution is update your iPhone to the newer build of iOS. So guys, for the update, tap on settings, tap on general, tap on software update. So check for update. So guys, if you haven't updated your iPhone to the latest iOS version, so guys, update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So for after updating, so guys, the next solution is, so guys, check if the lamination on iPhone body muffling the iPhone speaker output. So guys, if you have lamination and it's covering your make sure it's not covering your speaker grills on your iPhone. So guys, after this, the next solution is force restart the iPhone. So guys, how can we force restart iPhone? So for the force restart, tap on power button and volume up at the volume down at the same time for 15 seconds when Apple logo appears. So guys, after force restarting your iPhone, so guys, here are the simple solutions to fix your iPhone issue. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.